The cost of a lithium battery is heavily defined by the materials used to manufacture it. There is the cost of the lithium itself, of course. Active materials such as NMC, nickel, mangan, cobalt. Just as examples among many other battery chemicals, copper and aluminum, and also liquid electrolytes. These are all the most expensive materials that make up 70% of the cost of a lithium battery. The remaining 30% of costs are utilities such as machinery, for example, energy and labor. Now, we will show the cost impact of the development of the lithium price. Here is the battery shown in a fully discharged state, meaning all the lithium ions, Li+, are in the cathode. When the battery is charging, lithium in the cathode is separated into lithium ions going from the cathode into the anode. Only 50% of the lithium atoms can actually be converted, as more would damage the cell. When the battery is fully charged, we reach a delithiation rate of 50%. As for the mass of lithium atoms in the 1 kilowatt-hour, it is 130 to 140 grams, depending on the nominal cell voltage, which can vary depending on the chemistry. The other important fact is that the equivalent of 130 grams of the lithium atom is approximately 700 grams of lithium carbonate. 700 grams of lithium carbonate is required for a 1 kilowatt-hour battery cell. One of our goals is to achieve a lithium battery cell with a power of 1 terawatt-hour by 2030 in Europe, and more than 5 terawatt-hours globally. This calculation is just for lithium, but there's also cobalt, manganese, nickel, and many other expensive chemicals needed, as well as the electrical energy. Cost and price volatility of resources and CO2 emissions require the maximum reduction of waste. This can be managed with the right manufacturing process that minimizes waste. We have been in the lithium battery cell manufacturing business for decades, and we contribute with the most accurate automation and tension controls to minimize waste in the process. We thoroughly believe we can improve your competitive advantage.